Clinical research organizations, EU research consortia, in fact any organization running large-scale clinical trials can end up spending a considerable amount of time and resources on the collection, storage, and redistribution of biological samples. In addition to time and resources, quality is a crucial factor for these organizations. They must ensure that all the sample collection and processing procedures are optimized, standardized, and validated to avoid compromising the quality of the samples. Ideally, they would have a single and trusted partner to take care of these logistics and safely store samples and associated data. This is where IBBL can help. We provide our clients with a comprehensive range of well-established and standardized biobanking services, including collection of sample and data, logistics, processing, testing, and storage. Moreover, our location in Luxembourg, at the heart of Europe, is ideal for the collection and transport of the samples from multiple sites. As an accredited and certified biobank, we operate under a strict quality management system. All our activities are carried out by experienced staff following standard operating procedures. We are equipped with 24/7 temperature monitoring, 24/7 call-out staff, alarm systems, backup freezers and generators, ensuring the security of our client samples. A dedicated project manager will be your single point of contact. Adapt our biobanking services to your needs. Oversee logistics and coordinate all project-related activities. Our goal is to provide you with an efficient, cost-effective service, ensuring samples of non-quality which are fit for purpose.